everyone.
Good evening.
How are you all?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. So today me and my all brothers we discuss about social media. It is better or not?
It is better nowadays because mostly people have mobile and we have any types of doubt then we solve easily. Then there's connects many apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and YouTube, Google and a lot of.
If it is useful, then it is means people do misuse it. You know it.
Yeah, if you use in right way then it's right, but nowadays many people use it in wrong way.
Yeah, you are right that many people use it in wrong way. So tell me something benefit of social media.
We have any types of doubt that we have no solution, that then we search on mobile, then we solution easily and more and more.
Yeah, and any other?
And if you weak financially, then you have no money for study, then you study online by the mobile. So there are so many types of teacher you choose and teach by him.
And you know that now present time people are crazy about reels. Means mostly people make reels, and they think that if they make a lot of reels then they famous. But you know that all are not famous. And in his thinking, it is right. They are wrong.
It is wrong because in making the reel many people spoil his career because he only making the reels and don't focus on his study.
And don't focus on that one what they do.
Yeah. And if they do making reels and they famous, then he has benefit.
You use social media or
Yeah.
you use it. So means you use it in which way you use it?
I only use YouTube because I watch many types of teacher and many types of reels which is good for me.
And there's a lot of platform in social media that you could use all that platform.
No, I don't interest on that.
You want to ask a question?
Which app do you use?
I use means mostly I use all apps, but some apps I'm not using, just like Facebook and Instagram. Means I use it, but only for some things, not all time. But yeah, if I use it YouTube for means if I am suffering from any problem, then I search there any solution of it. And if I like to watch any reel, then I also watch it on YouTube.
Now you tell me about social media, wrong and right. What is it?
You know that social media is nowadays it's a right and wrong both, because it is depend on people's mentality in which way they use it. If they use it good way, then it is a lot of benefit for them. But if they misuse it, then it is a loss for them. And you saw a lot of people who do hacking and many other works. Then many times they live in a fear of cops because many times cops catch them and they spend his life in jail. So tell me something about these pastime people. They don't have a mobile. Means they have mobile phone, but they don't have a smartphone, and they don't use social media. So tell me that their life is good, and now in present time, which life is good?
Nowadays is life good because in past time people are not focused on study and they don't use what
You said wrong that people are not focused on study in past time. Means I think that in past time mostly people study well. But when social media has come in our life, then mostly people are not paying attention properly on his studies and on his work.
but in past time people thought that we have a lot of money and lot of field then they don't focus on
But
study.
everyone have not a lot of money and
I don't say that everyone, I only some.
you don't say some pupils, you said only pupils. Okay, then means now the life is good, but you know that because of the technology, means we suffer from a lot of problems. Just like health related to health problem and pollution is increasing day by day, and increasing also population.
It is happening by vehicles.
And you know that the radiation of network is bad for our health and also bad for animals and birds.
Yeah, but by its we have benefit a lot of, but we don't care that what is happening with birds and animals.
And you know that the 5G network radiations is destroyed our ozone layer, and it is very harmful for everyone.
But I think fluorocarbons is bad. Fluorocarbons is bad. Most important for the degree of but
But you are right that it is important, but you know that the radiation of mobile means people use it more and more because of if population is increased, then the users of mobile phone is also increased. Then it is bad for our environment.
I think if population is increasing, that management is impacted and there's necessity is also increasing. If population is decreasing, is under control, then we have under necessary and
You know that means past time people they have not much technology, means they have technology but not now. Then they survive his life properly and they suffer from problems but not just like nowadays. Means people ill more and more, and that time pupils ill, but some pupils are become ill, not all people. now you saw everyone have any problem.
Because I think past time people have a very strong with body and mentality. Because that time person work hard and mostly people live in village. And I think this time many people live in city. That time person's eyes means this time mobile device is very important for our eyes. Because this time people use mobile too much and play a lot of games and reach crazy board game and a lot of things which we do and we don't this time we don't do study a lot of we only want to play games and other things in the year video and upload it and
Because of that, you know that they suffer from anxiety problem and depression, and his eyes is also weak because of that.
because he use very much and I think last time everybody has a lot of friends in reality and this time everybody has a lot of friends on online and they talk but they talk only chats.
You know that now the friends who make online, they are fake friends. They are not our real friends.
Yes, and I think this is the reason this Raj is elected.
Yeah, and you know that because of mobile phone, the relation between means a family and that person who uses it, it's broken day by day.
Because this time every person is busy on social media and they use it very much and they don't want to talk his relations and friends. He shows everybody that he is very busy and he do only his work busy. Everybody knows that our area is very hard for everybody and still he don't ban it. Why?
I don't know that the government is not banning it. Why? Because they all people know that it is effect bad of our health and many things it is effect bad. But you know that just like plastic bags, they know that it is harmful for our body and for our environment. But they said they banned it, but they are not banned the company of polythene. So just like that means they if in which way they earn a lot of money. So then they think that if I get a lot of money, then why I banned it?
But I think if we have no environment and anything that what
Means you know that every person know it that it is bad for our health, but everyone use it. Means also me and you and those person who sit here, everyone know that mobile phone is harmful for us, but we all use it.
you mean that smoking is injurious to our health, still we use it.
Yeah.
And everybody means everything has a good and a bad effect and tell me the bad effects of social media.
Means you know that mostly it is a effect bad on children. Means their parents gave him mobile phone in a younger, means in a teenager time, and that time they don't know that what is good for them and what is bad for them. If any person said to them that this is good for you and you do this, then they also believe them and they do that work. Not all do, but mostly do it because their parents are not paying attention on them and they means what
everybody knows that mobile is injurious to every younger child. Still they have mobile, and I saw a lot of children who is very younger and means little, and they operate mobile too much. Why parents give?
Because you know that mobile is good in which way, that if they give it them for study, not a lot of time but sometimes, because of mobile phone children learn a lot of things, because in videos they saw pictures, and while pictures they remember that name, but mostly parents give him a lot of for a lot of time, and they don't think that it is a effect bad on my child health. And you saw many children, those are getting ill. Means if you go any child hospital, then you saw that there a lot of children come, and their parents said that my child is not seeing properly, and he is not walk properly, and many problems because of the mobile phone. If they use it a lot, then it is also affect bad. But parents don't think about it. Not all, but some parents are not think about it.
What's the last?
Do you have any question?
That is something bad effect of social media.
Well, when we use social media, when someone, it's depend on the people how can they use mobile in a good way or bad way. And when we use social media, then many people who hack the ID and they want money and many things. And there's a lot of effect. How can we, when we buy anything on app, when we purchase anything for any app, then we don't know what they do. They hacked with my account when we pay money on account, online account. Ask me some good ways. Yes, tell me some good effects of social media.
Social media, there's many children who have many doubts and many questions which is they cannot solve with their sir and then they solve with the help of YouTube and Google.
But many people who have any doubt and they search on Google or YouTube in any which app they use, then they don't understand that, and they don't understand how to this question. When they search any question, and then how can the teacher who solve this, they don't understand. They only cheat that. Not all people. Some people do this.
They want this problem depend on them.
Many more facts.
And many people who are then they cannot study more. Then they make the reels and upload it Instagram and YouTube, and many people are famous.
But it's not happened by all people, because many people who uploaded video on Instagram or YouTube, many apps, there are many apps just like TikTok and Snapchat, and they are not famous.
But they are
Many
not
people-
famous by so they
Many
taste
people
their
tried. many people start but they don't famous.
So they only waste their time.
Then they do any other work.
So you ask me.
You know that people do online business. It is good or not? It or not?
It is good because many people who know how to earn the money on online business like the share market and stock market, then they earn.
If you know there are a lot of platforms where they sell their products and many people do their fraud. They saw and they place a picture of other product and they send any other product.
But the receivers who receive the parcel, then they send it.
If those people who delivered that product, they said that there is no option of returning. Then what will they do?
There are so many numbers and many numbers in which many people complain with.
You want to ask any question? If you have, then you ask.
Tell me how to use properly social media.
If you use it properly, then you use it means in good ways, just like your study way and that way which work you don't know and your parents are also don't know about it and you want to know about it. Then you search on YouTube and Google. It is good, but many people who play games whole day, it is not good.
So you have any question ask me.
Is you play game whole day. It is good or not?
It's not good.
But why you play?
It's my habit.
Why you make this a bad habit? You change it. Try to change it.
I can't change my habit because I play Free Fire 2 and 1 hour.
Yeah, I know that.
But my mom scolded me every time I am playing Free Fire and he beat me sometimes. Yeah. But I never left the game.
It is your bad habit and it is bad. Means you misuse it.
Yeah.
So you give me some information about the Free Fire.
Yeah, lot of maps and many people earn money to Free Fire. Like
You earn money by Free Fire.
I don't earn money by Free Fire. Like Total Gaming and Location Market. So on Free Fire,
They are the famous player.
yeah, 40 million subscribers in YouTube Total Gaming. Also our PM playing. Also our PM has played to Free Fire.
Really?
Yeah,
You give me a very important knowledge about it. I don't know our Prime Minister also uses
Prime
Free Fire.
We also used to prepare some time ago tournament happening at the time. Many gamers come in that tournament. At that time, our Prime Minister also come and they also motivate our gamers.
So
Like Fever India.
according to your opinion, Free Fire is good or not?
Not good,
Not good. But our Prime Minister is also using.
but Prime Minister also play Fever.
If somebody something contains a bad fact, then it's also a good fact. If I use it, then I also told you. And
I can't hear properly.
means I don't ask any question. I said only this. If something as you said that Free Fire is not good. According to me, if something has a bad effect, then it's also contain a good effect. I also said it's not, and I don't ask any question.
Yeah,
Means you know something about Instagram.
yeah.
So you tell me.
I also use Instagram mostly, but I saw motivation lead.
Yeah, it's very good. You
But-
motivate. You motivate by these videos.
Yeah,
You leave your games.
I can't give my
Then how can you say that you motivated by the videos? What the use of seeing that motivational videos?
but I like it. Yeah, but
You like
some people use bad on Instagram. They waste it. They waste our time on Instagram and they chatting each other. And some people make free in Instagram. They were
According
famous on Instagram, but they not famous.
to your opinion, creating a reels is good or bad?
It's not good.
But some people are also get famous by reels.
But he famous, but he has no respect.
No, it's not so. I saw a lot of people who have a craze of meeting any YouTuber and means any Instagram.
Yeah,
Many people, you gave me example of some famous people. You know, tell me.
like cancer
Answer it.
and also people getting
What you which people you know you told the name of about it.
I followed on Instagram only cricketer.
Cricketer. Which cricketer you like? Virat Kohli. And MS Dhoni.
I like it but not too much.
Why?
I like it.
But you know, last time when I watched here, I don't remember but MS Dhoni plays very well.
Yeah, but not that Virat Kohli.
It's not so.
There are 50 century on ODI.
But MS Dhoni is also a very great captain.
Also Virat Kohli.
We don't talk about any cricketer, so leave it. I also like to watch a cricket. So, you like to watch cricket on TV or phone? But I like on a okay. You have any question?
Yeah.
So ask me.
Tell me about good effect social media.
Social media contains a lot of good effects. Like if we go outside, at that time we need money, and our parents means you go outside for your treatment. At that time you have a less money. Then your parents from here. If you don't if you don't use social media, then you go outside, means you use cards like credit card or ATM and many cards which is in our uses. So according to me, this way is also good. If we want to marketing anything, then you want to sell your old phone and bike, tractor and many things, then you also choose the option of marketing, and you sell your things in a good prices, and also collect good things by this means. My uncle also bought agriculture things by the online, means they shows a product from many farm, but they gave a lot of options. What you want to choose, you choose it very well. So that's why, according to me, many options which is contained. If you don't know how to cook the food, and you are outside, means in city, at that time you order food by it and you get your food. And
I mean, in our area, people are, as you know, our area. I don't know about our area more, but some people.
means I want to ask this thing, where does tower is situated? In that area, we prevented by which things?
Like bears, but live not properly and eat that.
No, it's a side effects of it, but also good effect of a tower area. You know,
I don't know.
someone know? So you told me about some necessary apps in social media.
YouTube and Facebook and WhatsApp.
You gave me the uses of WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Other cities and yes, video call and chat.
And you know about the properties of Facebook.
I don't know.
You don't use Facebook. Which app you use?
YouTube.
So you tell something about YouTube.
So any questions and doubt, motivation, feels and anything.
You don't use YouTube for your entertainment.
Yeah, sometime.
Means which type of funny video you like?
Short video.
Short video. You like Mithun?
Yeah.
And also the character of Mastani. You have any question?
No.
I want to ask any question.
Tell me, when should parents give the mobile to their children?
According to my parents, not according to me. Means according to their opinion, means after 12, we gave phone to their child. According to their opinion, if we gave a phone to our child, then he's 10th in 12th, then he and she use in a wrong way. Means at that time our age is too little. At that time we don't have a much information about right or wrong. At that time, then we growing up, then we know the things and know the reality of everything. Which thing is good and which thing is good or bad. So we knowing our things very well. Which thing is good and which thing is bad. According to me, if we want to give a phone, then beside this we give our dear children laptop like computer. Means we gave it, then they make their study very well by this. We use also its misuse, but according to me, in 10th class we bring it for their children.
But nowadays we saw every children give a mobile.
No, it's not so. You look at my condition.
I don't say about yours. I saw many.
You talk about all, that's why I said that. What you said?
I saw many children who have a smartphone.
According to me, those students who went in private schools, mostly they have a phone. According to me, not in a government, every student have a phone.
But in our school in Samarsari, in this, mostly students have a
But
mobile.
they don't have a book. You check in their bags when they can, and you check in their bags there's no book and no notebook.
Yeah.
If they have then a single rough note. It's right. I don't say
Yeah,
wrong.
I am agree with you.
Means they don't have a money for bringing a books. They have a money for bringing a smartphones. So it's also depend on their parents. They also want their children go ahead in that area. Mostly boys bring a phone in 10th or 12th. Not girls can go ahead in that case.
Now you tell me, computer and laptop is better than mobile.
Yeah, according to me.
Why
Because it's helpful in our study. Means when we use phone, many times we don't, if in our home any younger sister or younger brother, then they demand for it. I want to play with your, I want to operate your phone. But they don't have much knowledge about computer and laptop. That's why they don't interest much. And they don't carry it when they lay on bed. That's why.
now you ask?
Means I asked also, but in tower area, which type of uses? Yeah, good uses, and which things we predict from it.
I don't.
Means
You know
yeah.
that.
It was also in front of my house a tower situated. So those people who came for situated that tower, at the time they told that this tower is also harmful and also useful for all people who live in 5-kilometer area. If the electricity which is thunder clouds, you understand what I said?
Yeah.
Means come from clouds that don't throw in 5 kilometer area. So we prevent from these things, and we also available a network problem. We don't have a much problem of network. If we want, then available in front of my house. It also happens with everyone. And you know about the benefits of social media.
I already told the girl.
Okay, you told me one or two, please.
When we have any types of doubt, then they can't solve by anyone. Then we solve by the mobile.
Means also mostly people are used it for their entertainment.
Yeah,
No one said that I watch this some or any type of classes. I don't talk about all, but mostly.
tell me about social media.
Social media is one of the most important thing in our life, and it is key of success if we use in good way, and YouTube and WhatsApp, Facebook, Google connected with social media. If we have any doubt and we have not any meaning, so we search in Google and YouTube, but mostly people use it bad way, like they uploaded bad reels for famous, but people only enjoy it. Then they never famous. That's it, according to me.
Now you tell me the good platform in social media.
I think that social media have many good platforms like YouTube and Google and etc. If we have no much money, then we study in YouTube, and we have any talent, then we uploaded the reel. And if we want to buy anything, then we can help. Then we can take help etc.
Yeah.
That's it according to me.
Ask me. You have any question?
I ask you, the parents they give their child they give mobile phone their child mm, on a younger age like ninth and 10th class. It is wrong or right?
It is wrong. Because in childhood they don't understand what is good and what is right. We should give the mobile phone on our children in after 12th.
Yeah.
Then after 12th they understand all that what is right and what is wrong and which types of we use the mobile.
You tell me about a good way in social media.
Yeah. I already said. I tell you again. If we have any types of talent, then we have no money, then we study well and they don't understand by the mobile, then we have any types of talent, then they show by the mobile on YouTube and many others, and we increase money and the money.
Mostly people uploaded the reel in Instagram, Snapchat and ShareChat, etc. For famous and for earn the money, but then they are not success that this way. How can they not success this way?
Because they not hard work on it, because if they uploaded video goods, then they famous. But many people uploaded video, but they lost his courage and they don't uploaded video. They accepted his defeat. Then they don't famous. If you do any types of work, then they should be do hard work more and more on it.
Sometimes ago, Madhu asked you a question.